It's heartwarming. Heartwarming to hear about the dedication of Sheffield and Sheffield Lake City Schools Student Services in supporting their community. Serving 400 to 500 households every third Wednesday of the month is no small feat, and it speaks volumes about their commitment to making a difference.
When we talk about wraparound services, it's, these are really, we are really trying to, wrap the child, right? In order to try to provide a variety of supports. At the same time, we are working to teach students, high school students, about the benefits of volunteerism, and how do high school students, how can they be what we refer to as being other-centered, in support and helping them understand the benefits of volunteerism and the great internal and intrinsic rewards that come with giving to others and volunteering your time to help others who may be in need.
Their impactful work is made possible through strong community relationships with organizations like Second Harvest Food Bank, the Mars Board, and local families. Together, they create a network of support that nurtures the well-being and the achievement of all students.
Whether they're behavioral health or wraparound supports in order to help students be the best possible learner that they can be. The student is at the center. We have worked to create kind of an infrastructure of a continuum of supports in order to kind of engage the community to help families who may be in crisis or those who are in need. Really showcasing that to reduce stigma, right? Showcasing services, showcasing supports in order to really help kids, help families, help students be the best possible student and learner that they can be.
It's initiatives like these that truly make an impact in people's lives and foster a sense of togetherness and support within the community. It is during this time that staff and students alike get to shine.
I have a student that graduated last year who, because of their, they got started with the food pantry in their government class and really enjoyed it, and then ended up graduating. They were actually recognized at our Board of Education. They were one of the top student volunteers for Second Harvest in terms of the total number of hours that they had devoted. They became a leader within the Second Harvest food pantry. They are like a team leader. So at the food pantry, there's stations where cars pull up and their cars get loaded, and there's always a leader at each station. And this student ended up being a leader at the food pantry on one of the stations, because and this is a student that was not somebody who normally had not been involved, was not seen as a leader, I'd say, in the traditional sense within the schools, and this was somewhere where they figured out a place they could shine.
Fostering a thriving and inclusive environment has been the priority for all. Watching students take charge and engaging the staff has turned the community into a family.
The success of our program is the fact that we work well together, because we have been able to find individual strengths and really work with each other's strengths, and we don't have anybody who is kind of stepping on anybody else's toes. We all kind of have our roles and are happy and comfortable doing the things that we are good at, and we have other people on the team who are able to do the things that maybe some of us aren't as strong as. So that's really helped us, I think, be able to leverage some of the successes that we have been able to see in the last couple of years. And I feel like we get along, and we really do have fun and enjoy. We enjoy what we do. It's work, but it doesn't feel like work because we like doing it.
It's the Sheffield and Sheffield Lake School Student Services. feeding the mind, the body, and spirit of students in Lorain County. And we appreciate it. A 2024 Leadership Lorain County Organization Excellence in Leadership Honoree.